Hi, a new document is in reports and it is considered to be an elaborate document from National Security Document 2025 of United States of America, which is a public document. And this elaborated document basically works upon fragmentation of Europe. Yes, you heard right, fragmentation of Europe. So what America, or you can say the new right-wing MAGA America wants, is a fragmented Europe, not a European Union which is very much united. And why they want it? They claim that they want a civilizational kind of Europe. I don't understand what's a civilizational kind of Europe, because if you look at Europe, it consists of different of states. And what is the similarity between, say, Spain and Iceland, or Portugal and Poland? So there is no similarity like that. So just they are whites, but even those whites are having different kind of culture, different kind of languages, different kind of habits. Everything is very much different. Even geography is different. So this is a notion that civilizational Europe has to be restored or make Europe great again. But it is basically I will say a push to the MAGA vision, because when Europe is united, it can impact the US policies, especially the foreign policy, even the trade policies, because when European Union as a bloc, they come together, they can insert their economic policies, and also they can put pressure on US on various things when it comes to foreign policy, especially transatlantic relationship. Now when they are fragmented, and the fragmentation, what US plans is pull out Poland, Austria, Hungary, and I think one more state out of European Union. One is Poland, Austria, Hungary, and one more state. I'm forgetting that name, I think. Four they want to pull, and Italy. Meloni's Italy. So if you pull out these countries out of European Union, then European Union will be fragmented. And they talk about that Europe is a dying kind of economy. In a nutshell, I'm talking about. But it was not a dying economy. Today, if you talk about German economy, it used to be very competitive economy, but it was United States of America which sabotaged the pipeline, which was serving as a cheap flow of energy supply from Russia to Germany. And now those German companies are going in countries like China for cheaper energy, like the chemical companies and others. So they have lost their economic might, economic competitiveness, because of US's policies, right? Not otherwise. It was not due to immigration, it was not due to other things, it was due to US policies, and when they were not following their own foreign policies. And you look at the list of countries, they are talking about pulling out. Hungary, which is ruled by Viktor Orban, very much right wing. Then Italy is again, you can say, neo-fascist type of government, the brothers of Italy. So and even in Austria, you are seeing a rise of ultra-right and neo-Nazi kind of political parties. So they want, America today want for its own interest a fragmented Europe, and Europeans are basically responsible for this, and particularly the guys like countries like France and Germany, who actually gave up their sovereignty for United States of America.